Hi guys, this is Ibo from Revolution Driving School.
I'm Raina, I'm a student here, and we're going to show you guys how to parallel park.
In 3 steps.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna put the right signal on. We lined up with the car already.
Right. Mirror
First
to mirror.
step, yep, mirror to mirror. We're gonna put the gear to reverse. So our signal's on. We are mirror to mirror. Let's check. No cars in the back. First step, we're gonna back up till the tail light of the other car is in the middle of our back door. Somewhere in the middle of our back door. Good. And then we're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the right. And then we're gonna back up till the tail light of the other car is at the beginning of our front door, which is somewhere here. Is perfect. That's good. And then we turn the wheel back to straight. Now we're gonna look at the mirror. We see a triangle there, the curb, the car and the mirror makes like 45 degrees angle. We're gonna back up straight and we're gonna make that triangle smaller. Let's start backing up. And smaller the triangle, closer we are to the curb, but we don't want to lose the triangle. And as you see, the triangle is very tiny, and we're gonna turn the wheel
all the way left.
And then we're gonna back up till we become parallel with the curb. You can watch the curb through the mirror, and you can look in the front as well. You should be within 12 inches. As you see the space, that's good enough. We turn the wheel back to straight, put the gear to drive, and then we're gonna pull up. We're gonna close the space in the front, and at the end of parking, we're gonna put the gear to park. So that was the end of the parallel parking.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.